Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert the BETH to ETH on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of star button right here. Simply go ahead and select it. Now, to convert, here you can find the convert option right here. Simply tap on it. After tapping, now you need to convert the BETH to ETH. Now tap onto from like this and then search the BETH. Then select it. After selecting the from, now you need to choose the to, which is ETH. Now type it and then tap on it. Now you need to add the number. Simply add the number just like this. Now it will be converted to ETH. And you can see it has been converted. And that's it. This is how you can convert the BETH to ETH on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.